Beneath the blazing African sun, a shadow moves through the tall grass. It is not just any creature, it is the lion, ruler of the savannah. With eyes sharp and heart steady, he surveys his kingdom. Every step he takes echoes power, history, and survival. Lions do not reign alone. They are bound by blood, by pride, a family tied together by trust and purpose. The lioness, the true huntress, moves with elegance and precision, her every move calculated, every decision vital. As the heat rises, so do the risks. Predators become prey. A single misstep can turn triumph into tragedy. In the distance, rival males approach, young and bold, ready to challenge the throne. But leadership in the wild is not given, it is earned through battle, scars, and strength. From dusk till dawn, the pride adapts, endures, and evolves. In a world where only the strongest survive, the lion does more than exist, he dominates. This is not just the story of a predator, it is the legacy of kings. This is the story of survival, of loyalty, of raw nature. These are the lords of the wild Africa,